All right, so I picked up this Ego Select Cut 21-inch walk behind self-propelled fancy pants electric mower about 6 weeks ago. I've been mowing the backyard with it, and so far I am incredibly impressed. So let's talk about some of the specs, some of the things I like, some of the things I don't like, and then we're gonna mow with it. So let's go. All right, so let's talk about when you open up the box, what do you get? So you open up the box, the Ego mower is folded down like this. Literally all you have to do when you unbox it is open it up, put it to the position that you want, and pull out all the implements. All right, so the three things that comes with this mower when you open the box are a bag, a mulching plug, and a side slash, I think it's like a rear discharge. I've never used this part. I don't side discharge or rear discharge very often. And then the last thing obviously that it comes with is this big old sucker right here. This is a 7.5 amp hour battery that is rated for mowing up to 60 minutes, Ego claims. We're gonna put that to the test and see, but so far I've been super pleasantly surprised. One of the things that I like about this mower is it's adjustable to the user. So there are several different ways that you can adjust this to make it comfortable for you, for your desired mowing height. I think there's 3 positions. So you have your high, medium, and low. Low is really low, so if you want to like put your kids to work or something, this is a perfect position. And then of course the 4th position is folded up for storage. So while we have it folded up, let's look at the Select Cut and why they call it the Select Cut. So Ego calls this their Select Cut mower, and the difference between this and the previous generations of their mowers is it comes with a dual blade design. So in my experience of using this dual blade works really well. It cuts up the grass and mulches it into really fine particles. So it comes with these 2 blades installed right here, and it has a 3rd blade, which is a high lift blade, I believe. I haven't used that 3rd blade at all because I've been pretty satisfied with the performance of these blades right here. That's the big difference between this and your previous generations of Ego mowers. So one of the other features that's new on this generation of Ego mowers is the self-propelled system. So you can adjust your speed right here by simply turning the dial. So it goes from 0.9 miles per hour at the lowest setting, or off. You can turn it all the way off if you don't want self-propel to work. Or you can adjust it all the way up to 3.1 miles per hour. The fastest speed I've found is a little bit too fast for what I like mowing, but some people might enjoy mowing at that speed. When it comes to controls here, Ego makes it pretty simple in starting the mower. You don't have to pull anything, you have no cords, no nothing like that. So literally all you do is you push this button, pull the handle, and the mower's ready to go. That's as loud as it is, and I could talk and have a conversation with it going, and it's not super loud at all. It's incredibly quiet when it comes to lawnmowers. One of the other new things for this generation of Ego mowers is they changed the way that you put the battery in. So the battery has a new way that you put it in, and its orientation is a little bit different. So all you have to do is raise this up, press this button, and the battery slides right out. Same thing obviously for putting it in. It's as easy as that, it's ready to go. So when you're mowing, there's a LED light there that will tell you how charged your battery is. So you can always see your battery life right there, nice and easy. All right guys, so check it out. One of my favorite things, and this might sound really weird that this is a favorite thing of mine, is the ability to change the height of cut on this thing incredibly quick. I don't know why other manufacturers aren't doing something similar to Ego when it comes to changing your height of cut. Literally all you do is you take this handle and adjust all 4 wheels at the same time. So it adjusts from 1.5 inches all the way up to 4 inches. I obviously like to mow really short, so I mow it at the lowest setting when I'm mowing the grass in the back. But from what I've seen, this leaves a really good cut no matter the cut height. All right, so let's look at the quality of cut here. Right here you can see this is blades of grass that were just cut. Does a pretty good job. It misses some. The suction on this mower is not as much as you would get out of a real high-end heavy-duty mower, but it does a really good job. So you can see a real defined line right here where you have the mowed and the not mowed section. So this is with it in bagging mode. We'll put in the mulch plug and see how the mulch plug does. All right, so to switch it from bagging to mulching, literally all you do is you lift this up, put this in the right way, and it's ready to go. Just that easy. Okay, so I just did 2 passes right here mulching, and really you can see there's not much left behind, and I'm cutting off probably 1 inch. Not cutting off a ton, but yeah, 1 inch of grass and really not leaving hardly any clippings. Does a pretty good job. So one of the really big upsides to a mower like this is the weight of the mower. This thing is incredibly light. It's incredibly easy to move around. You can throw it in the back of your truck, move it around, super easy, fold it up, hang it up, and I love it. One of the benefits of it being so light is I can put these kids to work using it, and they literally don't have a hard time using it at all. So let's mow a couple of runs with this here mower. All right, so again, with the convenience of being able to switch from high to low settings, this works really good to move it down to where my kids can mow it. So take it away, Cheyenne. Get on the line. Hey, go to the line, sister. We're still working on mowing the right way. time for the little one to use it. There you go. You gotta press that down, pull the handle. Alright, check it out. So I just ran out of battery. I was using my smaller battery. It was a 2.5 amp hour battery. And one of the super convenient things about these Ego tools is they all use the same batteries. So the battery that you have for your blower or your snow blower or your trimmer or your edger or whatever, all of the batteries work on every single tool. So I got another battery that I had on the charger, 100% charged, little 2.5 amp hour battery, and now it's ready to go. How cool is that? All right, so we just mowed the whole yard. It looks great. I feel like this mower really shines on these residential homeowner type lots. You know, I mean, if you're a commercial guy, it's not. I don't think this is the mower for you. I don't know that battery technology is ready for a commercial setting yet. But yeah, when it comes to homeowner style lots, I think it does a pretty dang good job. We got some really high grass right here, and I haven't mowed anything tall with this, and obviously this kind of mower is not designed to be mowing overgrown stuff, but I wanted to see, you know, what does it really do in a overgrown grass situation. So I raised it up a couple notches, and let's see what it does. So, actually did a really good job. You can see, shut up. Really did a good job. All right, so I've got a full battery. I'm gonna stick it in the mower, and I'm gonna go over to the pasture. I've got an acre pasture over here, and I'm gonna mow until the battery dies. So let's go. All right, folks, so I'm here in the acre pasture. I've got a freshly charged battery on the Ego Select Cut, 7.5 amp hours. I'm gonna mow until I can't no more. And yeah, so let's put some music on and get to it. check it out. 18 minutes, almost 19 minutes of continuous running before I lost my first bar on that battery. Pretty cool. The mower is finally dead. It died at 1 hour, 18 minutes, and 42 seconds. So it outdid Ego's estimate of a 60-minute runtime by almost 20 minutes. I'd say that's phenomenal. Phenomenal job. Great cut the whole way. I think I mowed almost 35,000 square feet of grass continuously, no stopping. The mower handled and performed fantastic. All right, so the big thing that I like about this mower, a couple of big things. Number one, cut quality is really good. It cuts great, it looks great. Didn't really leave any stragglers. It cuts good in bagging mode and mulching mode. So whether you bag or mulch your grass, I think you're gonna be happy with the Ego Select Cut. Really the only downside that I found with this mower is that the suction is not necessarily what you get out of a traditional gas mower. The self-propel works great, really no issues. I ran the self-propel the whole entire time on this. So using self-propel at the fastest speed and running the whole time, this thing ran for, you know, 1 hour and 20 minutes basically. So you really can't beat that. I think honestly, if you are a homeowner and you're looking for a push mower and you have less grass than this, because let's be honest, nobody wants to push mow 35,000 square feet. If you've got like 10,000 square feet and you like to push mow your grass, man, this thing is awesome. No gas, no issues there. I think there's way more pros than there are cons. Hey, if you appreciated what I did in this video, if you liked what I had to say, make sure to leave me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, hit that button, hit the bell, leave a comment, all that good YouTube-y jazz. I would greatly appreciate it. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey, keep it down over there. I'm kidding. It's okay.